Hey, this is Andrew from AJS Woodworks, and this is just going to be a quick tutorial on how to replace the cabin air filter on a 2003 to 2007 Honda Accord. So the first thing you need to do is open up your glove box. Mine just has a broken plastic handle, so it looks a little bit different. And then next, all you need to do is take this little arm here and pop it off that way. It has a little hook on it. And then take both of these sides, press them inwards, and the whole glove box will just lower down like that. Once you have the glove box open, then you can see this plastic frame here. So what you can do is pull these tabs, press them inwards, and your cabin air filter will come out. And you can see here, my air filter is filthy, so about time to get it swapped out. So all you need to do is grab the middle of your air filter and pull it out. This is the air filter I'm going to use to replace the old one. You can go on Amazon and get any variety of air filter you desire. You can get some with Febreze air freshener in them and all sorts of different types. This is a pretty basic one, but I'll put a link down below on where you can buy those air filters on Amazon. Alright, here's the new filter, and what you want to look for is an arrow on the side. And that arrow should be pointing downwards. So we'll just drop it in. And slide it back in to the slot. That was simple enough. Now all you have to do is pull your glove compartment up. The two sides will automatically lock into place, and then take your little arm with a clip on it, raise up the glove box some, and clip that back on, and you're good to go. And that is how to replace the cabin air filter on a 2003 to 2007 Honda Accord. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions.